clothing is made of fabric. The fluorescent fabric is the main part of reflective safety clothing. Fluorescent fabrics are visible materials that can emit longer light waves than absorb light, and can provide higher brightness and color contrast than the surrounding environment, with strong visibility. Therefore, fluorescent fabrics can have eye-catching colors, high visibility and warning functions in the morning or in dim places. Fluorescent fabrics are usually made of polyester on the front to give bright colors and good color fastness. The back is cotton or polyester cotton blended, which is comfortable. Fabric standard as N 20471, ANSI 107 CSAZ 96 as NZS 4602, etc. The most commonly used standard N 20471 replaces the previous standard N 471. The biggest difference between the two standards is that N 20471 requires fluorescence measurement is carried out after 5 times of washing and the washing temperature is 40 degrees. It has been developed to add a waterproof design to the fabric, as well as other functions, such as flame retardant, anti-static, acid and alkali resistant, which is suitable for wearing in complex and hazardous environments.